Pinnacle Mountain State Park is a 2,356 acre state park located in Pulaski County of Arkansas, just near Little Rock. It was our best hope to see fall colors, and we did see some fall colors there. The directions for the visitor center are a little confusing because we found that not only us but few other tourists were also hunting for the visitor center. In the process for searching the visitor center, we came across this beautiful place where there was a half a mile hike through the forest, and the trees were absolutely beautiful with the sunlight filtering through the leaves and giving a surreal image of the forest. After completing our hike, we were finally able to locate the visitor center. From the visitor center, you get a beautiful view of the river Arkansas. There are a few trails of light to moderate severity in the vicinity of the visitor center. There is a spot near the visitor center which has a few tables and benches, and the tourists can sit down and have their meals while enjoying the surrounding scenery. The visitor center sells a few souvenirs including honey, and there is a working honey comb which is placed in the visitor center. There is a small pond in the vicinity of the visitor center where there are facilities for boating. Despite being such a beautiful place, there were very few tourists in the area, so we almost seemed to be lost in the wilderness. The main attraction in this area is the Pinnacle Mountain, which is the iconic landmark located between the bottomlands of the Big Maumelle and Little Maumelle rivers. Hiking in this area has been popular since 1800s. However, only in 1973, Arkansas government named this as a state park. The park ranger at the visitor center gave us a map and directions for a few trails around the visitor center. We took to the stairs and climbed to see a beautiful lookout point from where we could see the view of the Arkansas River in the vicinity. Weatherman had predicted rains in the afternoon, and we saw the atmosphere getting cloudy and rains were expected soon. So we decided not to loiter around in the area for long and head towards our cars so that we could leave in a short time. We had one last look and a few photographs near the beautiful pond in the vicinity of the visitor center. It was a day well spent in the lap of the nature.